In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. First of all, open an app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen and access it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top. Select Open in split screen view and tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to switch places of your apps, click on those three dots between them and tap on two arrows. Lastly, to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!